Hello, today I will show you how to show YouTube profile picture like this in OBS. Watch it. In OBS, add a new browser source. Call it YouTube user profile picture. Change its size to 512 by 512. Okay, now we have this browser source to display user profile picture. Open StreamerBot and create a new action. Let's call it YouTube profile picture. Press OK. In triggers, add trigger YouTube chat message. Test trigger. Go to action queues, action history and double press. Here you see user profile URL variable. That's what we need. Copy. You can look through all the variables here, or just close it, go back to actions and add sub-action OBS sources, set browser source URL. Here we have our default OBS connection, our selected scene, our selected source, and we put our URL like this. Okay, let's test our trigger. You see it changed the URL and the picture is different now. We can make the picture look better. Go to custom CSS and add this code. Press OK. This code removes background. Add another portion of code. Set width and height to 100%. This way the picture will always stay full size of the frame. Press OK. Let's make picture look even better. Right press. Filters. In filters, add filter image mask. OK, as a mask we will use a round shaped image. And we must choose this type of mask. The picture is round and without any background and looks very beautiful. Close filters. Let's create a test stream. I will send message in live chat and it should get my profile picture. You see? The picture is blurry. We should fix it. Let's do it. The default profile picture URL in StreamerBot has this at the end, size 88 and some letters. This section makes the picture little. If we delete this part and press OK, the image looks much better now because we don't have this at the very end. We can fix this problem in StreamerBot. Cut the S88 section. We go to Actions and we add something tricky. Execute C# code. I know, this is scary, but I got you covered. Find the file in description. It will contain this code. Copy paste the code here. From the code, copy this text. It is our new variable. Press save and compile. This code should execute before. In here, change this URL to the one that we've just copied from the code and press OK. Now it is fixed. Let's test it once again. Now I will send my final test message. The picture now is beautiful, clear, and it is big. Let's see. The profile picture has now S88 as the variant of the URL. It is 512 by 512 size. So that's it. I hope you liked this tutorial. Hit like, subscribe, and see you later. Maybe write in comments what other tutorials you would like to see. Goodbye. Thank you.